What is the good news that you're taking from the Word of God today? What is this wedding garment that one person did not wear and because of which he was thrown out? Now you know clearly that when we are baptized, we are clothed with Christ. And so our life is with Him, in Him, and through Him. So we have to live always by consulting Him. What can happen is, He is there, but we keep deciding. As we saw in the first reading, how this warrior of God chose to offer a sacrifice for the victory that God would give him. And he said, the first thing that comes out of the door as soon as I come back home, that is the thing that I'm going to offer you as a burnt offering. He decided on his own. Now, how many of us are like this, who determine to do things for God, and as I said in the beginning, we do not keep our promises? And very often these promises are going to hurt others and us, as we have seen in the first reading.